Hey everyone, Nathan Bowman with Draper Incorporated again. We're here today to discuss the IntelliFlex IO DC system, and today we would like to discuss the low voltage NDC. It's very important to keep in mind that the low voltage NDC is not a requirement for the IntelliFlex IO DC system to work. The system will work without the low voltage NDCs. The low voltage NDC is an a la carte item if you wish to wire a switch inline to your motor. The low voltage NDC can only power a single or dual zone wall switch. It cannot power an SSI, AV gateway, or other control. It is simply meant for wiring a switch inline to a motor or to be used as a programming device with your motor limit tool. Now we're going to cover how to wire up the low voltage NDC. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is connect our motor. So I have my motor cable. It is going to go to the 2 motor port on the low voltage NDC. From there, I am now going to connect into my power panel to power up my motor. So I will go from the 2 power panel port of the low voltage NDC. From here, I am now going to plug directly into my motor port on the power panel. As you can see, as soon as I make that connection, the power LED for the low voltage NDC comes on, indicating that we have good connectivity. Okay, now that I have my motor and my power panel wired to my low voltage NDC, the last connection is going to be the device port. There I'm going to plug my motor limit tool in so I can do my initial limit setting and programming of my motors. So I make my connection, my motor limit tool powers up, and my device LED is solid blue. Now that we have set limits and set our groups on our motors, we can now use this low voltage NDC to plug our switch directly in line with our motor. Now that I have my switch plugged in, you can see the device LED is flashing. It will do that for roughly 10 to 15 seconds until the device that has been plugged in is stabilized. Once it is stabilized, the device LED should be a solid blue LED. If that LED is off or flashing, that is an indication that the device that you have plugged in is experiencing an issue. Either the device is bad or the device cable is bad. So if you have a flashing blue device LED, ensure that you troubleshoot whatever device you have plugged into that. Any questions, please contact Draper Technical Support at 1-800-238-7999 and select option 3.